Hello everyone, welcome to Nazvilla. This is report writing. We will discuss its format, how to write down the paragraph, and then we'll discuss types of questions that will come in the examination. After this video, I will also upload a handwritten example of report writing on my channel Nazvilla Academy. Do not miss anything because you will lose marks on each mistake. So इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और नोटिफिकेशन भी ऑन कर लो तो तुम्हें सारे अपलोडेड वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे. A report writing is nothing but describing an event which has already taken place somewhere before. यानी एक इवेंट है जो पास्ट में हो चुका है, जिसे हमने देखा है, वो हम डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. उसमें क्या क्या हुआ था, कब हुआ था, कितने बजे हुआ था, कौन कौन लोग शामिल थे, एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली हाउ इट एंडेड. Whatever it is, all you have to do is write paragraph about it. So now without wasting time, let's directly go towards the format of report writing. किसी भी तरह का क्वेश्चन आया हो, you can easily write a report. Just follow this steps. और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करनी होती हैं इसमें, बट वो हम बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. पहले फॉर्मेट देख लेते हैं. आई एम सेइंग इट अगेन. अ रिपोर्ट शुड ऑलवेज बी रिटन इन पास्ट टेंस. ऐसा हुआ था. फर्स्ट टेक अ न्यू पेज. Imagine this is your answer sheet. Write down the question number in the margin. Then write down first what you are attempting, that is report writing. So examiner जो check कर रहा है उसे पता चले कि क्या लिखा हुआ है. Then start with writing the title. This title will always be given to you in the question itself. बस वहीं से तुम्हें लिखना है. This should not be very long. जैसे इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन है तो लिखोगे इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन. Just the title, that's it. जैसे लेसन का नाम होता है वैसे ही. After that you will leave one line. Then comes by XYZ. जो रिपोर्ट लिख रहा है उसका नाम. अगर नाम दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में तो यहाँ पे नाम लिख देना. अगर नाम नहीं दिया हुआ then write down by XYZ. This can either come here or you can also come here, or you can write down after the entire report writing is completed. Last में लिख सकते हो by XYZ. Okay, but ये लिखना compulsory है. Let's select the place. We'll keep it here. After that leave one line. And from the left side you can write down the place where the event is happening. If it is in school, you will write down the name of the school, comma, and then the city like Ahmedabad or Delhi, something like that. After that, in the next line you will write down the date. The date should be written like this. Here you will write down the date on which you are writing a report. जिस दिन तुम रिपोर्ट लिख रहे हो उस दिन की डेट आएगी. मतलब आज की डेट लिखनी है, like 4 April 2021, and that's it. इसके बाद तुम पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखना शुरू कर सकते हो. You can write down the entire content of the paragraph. Start with the introduction, give some details of the event, and then give a conclusion that how it is ended, and then your report is over. In the conclusion, you can write down the program was very fun and memorable. You can write down one sentence which is giving an end to the report that you are writing. You can also remember this thing when you are writing XYZ. इसके साथ साथ you can also mention the designation of the person. For example, by XYZ, comma secretary, or by XYZ editor of the newspaper. ये mention कर सकते हो designation. It is, if it is written in the question, you can mention it. If it is not, you can skip that. You can also mention the name of the newspaper before the title. After that, leave one line. यहाँ पे ऊपर title लिखने से पहले name of the newspaper भी mention कर सकते हो. It is also not compulsory. If it is there in the question, you can mention it. Otherwise, you can skip it. ये तो फॉर्मेट कंप्लीट हो गया. अब पैराग्राफ में क्या लिखना है? What are the things which you can include to make your report more attractive? There are some compulsory things that you have to remember. For example, in the first paragraph when you are writing the introduction, पहली चीज़ क्या है? You will mention the event. पहले तो इवेंट को मेंशन करो. कौन सा इवेंट है? ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप है, कोई सेलिब्रेशन है. दूसरा सेंटेंस लिखोगे प्लेस के बारे में कि वो इवेंट कहाँ हो रहा है. इधर इट्स हैपनिंग इन स्कूल, इट्स हैपनिंग इन सोसाइटी, और समवेयर इन द ग्राउंड. कहाँ पे हुआ और कौन सी सिटी में हो रहा है. यू हैव टू मेंशन द वेन्यू विद इवेंट हुआ या कहाँ पे वो एक्सीडेंट हुआ, ऐसा कुछ. द नेक्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू मेंशन इन द इंट्रोडक्शन इज डेट. एक और सेंटेंस लिखो जहाँ पे तुम डेट मेंशन करोगे. ये डेट होनी चाहिए आज की नहीं बल्कि कुछ दिनों पहले की. वो डेट लिखनी है जिस दिन इवेंट हुआ था. The next sentence that you have to write down is timing. What was the time? Exactly when did the event happen? When it started? For example, it started at 10 a.m. in the morning. If it is an accident or something like that, you can write down the accident happened at 10 a.m. in the morning. Then you can also mention who are the people who are involved in the event, okay, who has organized the event. This is how you can easily write down the first paragraph. Second paragraph, in this para you have to mention the details of the event. For example, how it started. If it is a program or a celebration, it started with a prayer, it started with lighting a lamp, okay, there were people, there was a chief guest invited. Who was the chief guest? What did he do? He came and gave the speech. Who were the other people who gave the speech? Then you can write down some activities that happened there, like there were snacks were distributed, there were some games played, if it is there in the question, there was some dancing or singing. After writing all the details of the event, you have to mention when the event ended. How did the event end? What time did the event end? If it is starting at 10 a.m. in the morning, then maybe it ended after 2 hours, so it ended at 12 a.m. ये तुम अपने अंदाजे से लिख सकते हो, टाइमिंग कब हुआ होगा, कितने बजे हुआ होगा, कितने लोग आए थे, लास्ट में ख़त्म होते हुए नेशनल एंथम के साथ ख़त्म किया गया, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो। अगर इस इवेंट की जगह पे कोई एक्सीडेंट है या कोई ऐसी डिज़ास्टर वाली चीज़ है तो तुम ये सारे पॉइंट्स तो नहीं लिख सकती, बट तुम दूसरे पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हो कि कौन कौन इन्वॉल्व था एक्सीडेंट में, कब एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, कितने लोग को इंजरी हुई है, हाउ मेनी ऑफ द पीपल आर इन द हॉस्पिटल, हु वाज एट फॉल्ट, व्हेन डिड द एम्बुलेंस अराइव्ड, what was the reason of the accident, what was the speed of the vehicle, what actions were taken against a person who was responsible for the accident, ये सब लिख सकते हो, ओके। और फिर ये सारी चीज़ें खत्म होने के बाद 3 पैराग्राफ लिख लिया, उसके बाद एक जो मैं पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ, एक लाइन लिखनी है on conclusion that it was a sad incident that has happened, it was a joyful incident, it was a memorable motivational incident according to the question given to you। ये सारे पॉइंट्स याद रखोगे तो तुम आराम से अपनी रिपोर्ट लिख सकते हो। एक और चीज़ है, टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन दैट विल कम इन द एग्जाम। देयर आर मेनली 3 टॉपिक्स ऑन विच देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड। This event can either be related to some celebration or program of the school, like annual day, farewell, or competition that has been taking place in your school or in some other school, Independence Day, Republic Day, sports days, that is a school related event that is included for report writing. Some events are based on social services like blood donation camp, NSS camp, social service camp, cleanliness camp. The other type of report or events could be like it's something bad that has happened, like accident or some natural calamities like flood, drought, that you are going somewhere and going and investigating about that particular situation. इसके अलावा भी कोई और क्वेश्चन आए तो you can follow this step और आराम से रिपोर्ट राइटिंग जो है वो अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो and you can easily score good marks. Just don't forget to subscribe and support Nazila Academy. I hope you liked the explanation and the video that I have made for you. Watch all the other explanations that are there on the channel, grammar, writing section and lesson explanations. Prepare well. Goodbye. See you.